Greetings everybody. So last month I did an amazing workshop on atmospheric firing taught by my good friend Karen Palmer, and I absolutely fell in love with all the different firing techniques that we learned. So I kind of knew right then and there that this was something that I definitely wanted to pursue for myself. So I wanted to come home and get started right away in gathering materials and getting started so I can start firing. Now the first thing I needed was a Raku kiln. So what I did is I had this old kiln that I salvaged. It was in excellent condition on the inside, but the electrical components were absolutely hooped. So my husband was kind enough to give me a hand, and we ripped off the electrical box and we drilled some holes in the bottom and in the top. So this will serve as my chamber for firing my pieces. Now some other materials needed to be able to do these types of atmospheric firings is a pit that I'll be using to take the hot pieces of ceramic straight out of the kiln and place them onto, some tongs to be able to pick them up, a tiger torch and a propane tank because this will be my source of heat and the way that I'm going to use to fire these pieces, as well as some tin cans and little metal buckets that I'll be using as reduction chambers for when I do naked Raku firing. Now tomorrow I'm going to attempt to do a naked Raku firing for the first time by myself. So I'm going to record it and do a video. So I invite you all to come back and watch the process and see the final pieces and result and how it's done. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this post today, and hopefully you guys can come and check out the video for tomorrow.